Alright, long story short, I bought another tire. This time I got it a little bit taller. I got 120, 80, 12. And this one's alright, but it's too skinny for me. So I just got a taller tire. It's the same width. Should we start by side or no? That's the same width. Yeah, but the height, look at it. Oh yeah, that height's gonna be taller. I got the same width because I didn't want the coilover to hit the tire. My buddy's running the 130 and it hits the coilover and I want to be this low, so we're gonna go to Steadies, switch it out. All right, let's get to it.
Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get low.
Alright guys, we made it here at Steadies. Steady garage. I'm gonna throw on the tire, put this bad boy on. Steve Martin? Oh no, bronze one in.
Oh, you know, I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't one of us. How you riding the beers in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Lost and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 money. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we stacking up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch it.
Alright, so we finally threw the wheel back on with the new tire. Damn, that shit looks so good. It looks beefy. Looks super beefy, just like the front. Kind of matches now. Before it was way too skinny. I also had to raise up the coilover a little bit because it was hitting the sidewall. Oh, look at that, the ice cream man's here.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, sorry you had to ruin my video? Alright. So yeah, it was rubbing along right here. So we just raised it up a little bit. Before my coilover was like all the way right here with the other tire. But yep. Now it's looking nice and good. And I also had a chance to put on this Chimera gas cap. And also this. Shout out to Ruckus Republic for that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And stay tuned for more Ruckus videos.
Got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. They gon' got clothes in my right.